Hello, this is Oscar Moreno with Moreno Custom Home Visions, and today we're going to teach you guys how to replace a doorbell chime box. These guys are very simple to take out and reinstall. First couple of tools you're going to need, just basically real simple. It's just going to be a flathead Phillips-head screwdriver, and what you're going to end up doing is removing the box by first pulling it from the bottom out, and that will simply take the cover right off. Then you're going to find yourself with two screws on each individual side of the box is actually holding it to the wall. You'll be removing those guys off, and that will loosen the chime box from the wall. After that, you're going to have two lead wires that are right in the center of the box, which we're going to be removing using our screwdriver. Take those two wires right off. That's okay if they touch. You're working with low voltage electricity, not a very big deal. Once we got the door chime box off, we'll get our new chime box, reinsert the wires through the chime box, attach the chime box to the wall, and then we'll attach both of the wires to both leads of the chime box. After that, we can reconnect our cover back on, and once you have the cover back on, give it a test, and you guys got a new chime box.